If you really want to improve your handwriting, then you should start practicing with cursive writing. And the best way to do that is starting very slow. You have to be patient and try to make these curves perfect. As you can see, I'm writing this A in a cursive manner. The style, as you can see. So basically the main objective is to make your curves perfect, and once you are all set with your curves, you can start writing with short words like apple, ample. As you can see, I'm trying to make it slightly inclined to 45 degree, so the style will be a little bit inclined, as I mentioned, 45 degree. Each letter in the word that you are writing should be 45 degree inclined to the plane. This angle has to be 45 degree at least. This way you can understand how we are making the curves, and once you understand the whole process, you can easily make these curves and start writing. You can begin with short and simple words, and then later you can move on to big words. So if I show you like this, you can write it like this. So these will help you in shaping your letters perfectly in a cursive manner.